an overview of the hybrid compensation plan of Kivana. This is a very unique plan. There isn't anything like it that I know of in the industry. It has 3 different parts to it that allow you to get money right away, allows the part-timer to have a nice income immediately, and also allows the player to make the long-term residual. So we're going to share with you how to make money right now and how to turn it into long-term wealth. You do realize that we can't make you successful. You're the only person that can do that. So you must take action no matter what you get into. But this is a plan that you can leverage your time. And that is very, very important. So if you don't have time, you certainly can find people that do and still leverage yourself. First is team commissions, where you get paid for your team. Then there is fast start money that you make right away weekly. We have executive generation bonuses. This is very unique. It gives you the long-term residual. We have an automobile allowance program to get you a free luxury automobile. We have an incentive vacation program, and we have special promotions above and beyond the compensation plan. In this plan, you're paid weekly. Once you qualify for at least a $50 commission, you'll be notified in your back office that you can open up an account with ProPay. Once you open that account, then you'll be sent a Kivana ProPay branded card. This is a MasterCard. It is branded, and you're going to have your commissions loaded on it each Friday. You can load all or part directly to your checking or savings account. This allows you to build a weekly income worldwide. The first part of the plan is called team commissions. This is where you're building teams of 2, what we call a left side and a right side. We pay 5% down both sides until they're equal. Let me give you an example. If you had 150,000 on your left side of group volume, we call it GV points, group volume. You have 100,000 of group volume points on your right. So there's 150,000 on your left, there's 100,000 on your right. You're paid 5% down both sides, down to the lowest amount, to the 100,000. So let's go and figure what that is. That's 5% of the 100,000 on the right, so that would be 5,000 that week. And the next is 100,000 on the left. Out of the 150,000, you pay 5% of that. So that's 5,000 on the left side, 5,000 on the right side. That's 10,000 that you're paid that week. That is very substantial. It goes down all the way until your lesser leg. Anything that is left over is called banking, and that banks to the next week. That is very important that you never lose the bank. And some of the old binary plans, they were a flushing plan, and that means if you didn't use it, you lost it. That's not how this non-flushing binary or team commissions work. There's spillover that allows you to help other people that spill down into your organization, and the binary tree commissions, the team commissions as we call them, max out at 10,000 per week or 520,000 per year. This is a very unique team commission structure and allows you to make money and also allows you not to lose anything that any of the old plans had attached to them.
Now we have retail commissions. When you buy a product at wholesale, you can turn around and retail it right on your site, and you can make 20 to 30% on that sale. That money comes directly into your checking account every week. So if you have a product that is purchased, you can see it right on the site, and that's the price you buy it at. The wholesale, you turn around and retail it, you make the difference. Remember that we can retail in many, many operations. We can retail in all places that work by appointment or membership. That includes doctor's offices, holistic doctors, chiropractors, acupuncturists, hair salons, beauticians, estheticians, cosmetologists, health clubs, tanning salons, aerobic places, any place where a person goes to look and feel good by appointment or membership. Please check the country that you're in to make sure that we are doing retailing. Sometimes it's just wholesaling in countries. We market the products in over 20 different markets. We teach you how to do 40 different ways of getting leads, and we teach you all of that. So it's pretty exciting what we have, something that very few people have, and we market on the internet, of course. Much of our business is done through the net.
Next is called a Quick Start bonus, and that Quick Start bonus is very unique. The Quick Start bonus is paid on your first generation, and it's based on your initial auto ship.
We have an auto ship of 100 or 200 points. 100 point gives you 10% of the first order volume. 200 points or PV gives you 20%. Now we have promotions going on, I'm going to explain right now, that give you the auto ship free. We have a new one starting with Skin Shift, and if you're on Skin Shift, the basic system, which is 149, 100 points, and you get 3 other people on it, either customers or distributors or combination, then your auto ship is free. Not only for that month, but if those 3 people stay on auto ship and you did, for the second month, third month, all year long, your auto ship for 100 points is free. Also, retail customers count as your auto ship. There should be no problem maxing out the auto ship. The next promotion that's going on is our rapid rank bonus. And as a rapid rank depends on your title. Title is based on lesser leg volume, and your lesser leg volume, if you're a gold distributor, you can look up the ranks. We're going to have all the details on this site. At the end, you can read all the details. And if you are a gold, you would, and your order is between $400 and $999 on top of all the other promotions. This is a rapid rank bonus promotion. You'll make $50 in product credit. If you are a gold star, on your initial order is $400 to $999. We have three different initial orders, one for 200 points, one for 400, and one for 1,000 points. Of course, the difference between the two, of the 200 point or the 1,000, is 5 times the points. So you could make 5 times the money 5 times as fast. But we, of course, work within your budget. So if you are a gold star and you ordered between $400 and $999, and you make a $125 cash bonus. These are one-time bonuses. If you have a gold pro, you would make a $250 bonus. That's how it works. Now, if you sign in only for the 1,000-point kit, and this is the other advantage of doing it, if you do, then they double the rapid rank, which is accumulative also in either case. If you double it, then it's at a gold level, you make $100 in product credit. If at gold star, you make $250 cash. Gold pro is $500. And if you're a platinum star and your initial order is $1,000, you can make $1,000 extra. So you can make a cumulative, if you reach those levels quickly, 250 cash, 500 cash, 1,000 cash, all accumulative if you do it during the period of time that they mentioned. And you can read all the details on the site. So this is an exciting bonus for all the people that start, on top of all the other fast start money, the retail money, and the first and the 10 and 20% for any initial package. Now you can get rapid rank for reaching title as quickly as you can. The third way you make money is in this program. So you have retail, you have team commissions that you can make up to $500,000 or $40,000 a month by building two teams. And then you have the real money, which is called the leadership bonus pool. And you have to be a platinum to collect that. That's $6,000 in your lesser leg. And you will, if you have 6 people personally sponsored in the program, and you're at 200 PV yourself in auto ship, then you will make first and second generation. In other words, you'll make bonuses based on their checks. So this is check bonuses. So on the checks, you can make it first and second generation. Anyone you personally sign up in team commissions, whether it's on your left side or right side of your team commissions or binary, whether it's first level or 20th, they go first generation or first level in your third bonus pool and third compensation plan that's totally independent. This is pretty exciting how it works. If you go wider and you get higher levels, you're paid deeper in generations. This program will average about 7% on 7 generations. So this is a very high payout on this plan. So if you add up all your bonuses, most of the companies average 4 to 8%. We're higher. The company that I was with that made millions of dollars, and I had many millionaires in that program, they had basically 5%, 6 levels. So this is going to be 7% of all your payouts. So if you do $1 million in the other program, which I easily did, you get 5%, $50,000. In that program, I was doing $8 million a month, so 5% of that you can figure it. But this is 7%, so this is pretty big. If you're a Platinum Pro, the next level, then you would get 3 levels down of matching checks. If you're at Diamond, you would get 4 levels. At Executive Diamond, which is 5 levels, and Presidential Diamond and Royal Diamond. You can get all the titles and what their money is in each of those titles in the details of this presentation. So this is pretty successful. The first is you develop your own store. In this program that I talk about, you develop other stores and get an override on their sales for life. This is pretty exciting in how it works, and follow the plan. There's not a plan like it. There's very similar plans, but there's nothing exactly like it. This is a hybrid compensation plan. Now we have a car bonus on top of that, and that car bonus is very exciting. If you are a Platinum, which is $6,000 in a lesser leg, which is one of the lowest requirements for a car, we will pay $300 a month. If you are a Platinum Pro, $500 a month. The Diamond, $500. It goes up to Presidential Diamond at $750 a month we pay, and Crown Diamond $1,000 per month on your car, which is usually a Mercedes or a BMW, but you can choose. They have requirements on that, and they'll take care of that. Now we have something called mega bonuses, And this is something tremendous. On top of the compensation plan, on top of all the things that I've just said to you, now if you become a diamond, then you will make $10,000 in extra mega bonuses. And this is a one-time annual payment paid monthly, and this is exciting. If you're an executive diamond, you get $15,000. If you're a presidential diamond, $25,000 in extra bonuses. If you're a royal diamond, $50,000. If you're a crown diamond, $150,000. That is a lot of extra money. If you are an elite, you got $300,000. An executive elite, $400,000. A presidential elite, $500,000 in extra bonuses. Royal elite is $7,000 and $700,000. And if you're a crown elite, you get $1 million paid monthly on that. You can read all the details. They are listed here, and that is mega bonuses, something on top of the plan, which is very, very, very exciting. If that wasn't enough, we have Kivana Rewards, which include 5-star trips around the world, all expenses paid for two. We went to the Caribbean last year. We were in Eastern Europe the following year, and every year we do a different cruise or trip that is all expenses paid for two. So that, again, is an exciting part of our program. So take a good look. It goes through all the titles, and the titles are easily attained. Again, although we pay 5% both sides, and anything left over is banked into the next week, we do have the titles based on your lesser leg volume. And so you want to make sure that you do it. Gold is 2,000 of your lesser leg. Gold Star is 3,000. Gold Pro is 4,000. Platinum is 6,000 of your lesser leg. Platinum Star is 8,000. Platinum Pro is 10,000. Diamond is 15,000 of your lesser leg. Executive Diamond is 20,000. Presidential Diamond is 25,000. Royal Diamond is 30,000, and Crown Diamond is 50,000. And then we go up to additional bonuses called Elite, and that's 100,000. And we then go, not instead of left side or right side, we go by total sponsorship volume when you get to the elite levels. So it's pretty exciting. There's a lot of money in this plan and a lot of extra money in mega bonuses. What makes this different is this. Number one, we pay everybody weekly. We encourage team building. We never flush volume, earned volume. We allow to get paid on a limited binary tree. Doesn't matter the levels. We reward for building leaders. You get 7 generations of leadership bonuses. So we have 3 different plans: a fast cash plan, a team commission plan. We are building just 2 teams. We had to build 12 teams in the last company I was with. And this, then you have anyone you personally sponsor, you're going to go, it's a unilevel, an unlimited unilevel. It gets 7 generations on anyone you personally sponsor as wide as you want. So we really have the money, the compensation plan that's very unique and a hybrid. We have promotions that are going on all the time. And my tip is, don't worry about how the compensation plan works. Start out and build 2 teams and max the team commissions out at $40,000 a month. For those of you that want to make car payments and house payments and pay down your credit card bills, we have a program. We have complete training and support. For those that want to make a lot more, we have a program for you. Take this seriously. Kivana is big business. We can't make you successful unless you take action. You make yourself successful. We give you the tools and work with you, but you have to do it. So vision minus action is fantasy. It's vision plus action. That's reality. Come with us in the Kivana family to make the world a better place through health and wellness, and teach people how to take back their own health and youth. We look forward to working with you. Welcome to the Kivana family.